to give my yes to you today. I choose.
Good morning. It's Tuesday, the 6th of May, and I got Lungo here this morning. If you have your Bibles, turn to Matthew chapter 6, verse 9. Mattheus 6, vers 9. It's the start of the Lord's Prayer, die Onse Vader. Ons ken hierdie gedeelte baie goed, maar weer eens, hierdie klein sinnetjie, so eenvoudig gestel, het my tot so diep waarheid gebring vanoggend. Pray then in this way, Our Father who is in heaven. Our Father is in heaven. The creator of the heavens and the earth, the creator of everything out of nothing, the giver of all life, the one who is love, the one who is for us, not against us, the one who sent his Son to die for us, the Father who protects, preserves, perseveres in his love. The depth of his love for us is, we can't actually grasp the full depth of God's love for each and every one of us. He's in heaven. We may not always feel close and connected, but our Father is in heaven. And as long as he's in heaven, all the chaos, all the senselessness, all the whatever of life is okay and manageable, because our Father is in heaven. And I know I'm going to try and remind myself of that, just be aware of that as I go through this day. No matter what news you've received from doctors, no matter what your financial situation and circumstances are, no matter the state of many of your relationships with family, with friends, with work colleagues, our Father is in heaven. And that just brings a sense of calm. It goes on to say, hallowed be your name, or honored be your name. And how do we honor him? By acknowledging that he is in heaven. In my heart, in my thinking, in what brings me stability, my Father is in heaven. So I guess the question is, what about yours? Is your Father, and can you wrap your head around the full description of Father, volle beskrywing van Papa, Vader, Abba. Hy wat so lief is vir ons. Hy sit stewig in die hemel en hy regeer. Mag dit jou 'n vastigheid, 'n standvastigheid gee vandag, en mag jy 'n wonderlike Dinsdag beleef.